the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis, the #1 Dogelon Mars content creator on YouTube, self-proclaimed. Let's go. See, getting it down. Now I'm getting it down. I woke up today. I was like, am I rich yet? Do I still have to go to work today? Me and my coworker, we have this joke, like, hey, like, whenever one of us calls the other one, like, hey, like, do we have to work today? Like, are we rich yet? No. The answer is no. So I have to work today, which is why I'm making my video at 6:39 p.m. So anyway, let's get right into it. Nothing exciting. I just did a bunch of update videos because I had like 12 people comment like, hey, can you give me an update or can you look at this coin? So I just knocked those out the way. And I was like, hey, you know what? Why not make a Dogelon Mars video? So it's nothing exciting, nothing new. But I mean, it's still good to kind of look at the RSI, the stock RSI, see if any of that has changed. No, but for the most part, I do get new viewers, and I'm still getting subscribers. So if you're new, just keep in mind that nothing's bullish about Dogelon Mars as far as TA goes until we get over 20. So as you can see, we're pretty far off from there. Now from this high to the low, resistance is going to be between, what is it, like 15 to 18. Yeah, so we have a lot of resistance. The price is very suppressed. We already know that though, but just in case you didn't know, we have resistance at between 15 and 18. So don't get overly bullish if we start going back up and if we smack right into 18, because if we don't break that and if we don't hold those levels, then we are going to go back down. And we might possibly make that lower low like we're looking at around adding a 0.8 to 0.9. Okay, so talking about that, let's look at support. So support is going to be around yeah, so it would be here, and then obviously this previous wick. So yeah, so as you can see, the next area of support for Dogelon is going to be around 8 to 9. Now on Gemini, so there's a lot of buying going on at these levels. I'm buying at these levels, so it's very important. If you have your position, not financial advice or anything, but you got to play it smart, right? So I already have my money in there. I already have my money in there that I saw go from here to here, and I held it, and it's back down here. So again, just like I said in my last video, just remember that, you know, if people that bought in these levels, which is, I'm getting better at actually saying the levels, at 6 zeros 25, they held and it went all the way to 6 zeros 58, so they almost 2x their money, and then it came all the way back down and actually made a lower low at around 7 zeros 9. So imagine how those people felt when they bought, accumulated, and waited, how many months? 6 months, and then it capitulated down. So what I'm saying is, don't put it past the fact that that can't happen again, because it can, and if it does, the next capitulation level is going to be 7 zeros 8 to 7 zeros 9, and then we might range another 6 months from there before we start moving up. So this is a very long-term play. Another option is that something like this happens where in 2021 we just literally we went up, we came all the way back down to these previous lows, and then we just moonshot it from there. So that's why I think like some coins, they have the steady incline, like Tron, for example. I just saw Tron because I was like, oh, this might be a good video to make videos on. This might be a good coin to make videos on because it's doing pretty well. So if you look at the graph, it's very steady, right? You have the little coins that are very steady. Even XRP it's going up a little bit. For coins like Dogelon Mars and Shiba, it's literally like 2 weeks, or like a month. Like October to November, it was done. So October 2021, November 2021, done. So you only have a certain amount of time to get up. And that's what I think is going to happen. So we just have to endure these capitulations down. We just have to endure this sideways and this consolidation. And then maybe 1 or 2 months, we're going to get something like this where is it? Okay, here, where we get something like this. We get this move up. And that's exactly what we're waiting for, is this move up. So whether it's down here it goes from here or whether it goes literally tomorrow, I don't know. Your guess is better than mine. I'm waiting. If you're watching this video, we probably hold Dogelon Mars, and we're probably in the same boat. So we both want to make it, and we both want it to go up. So I know that's a lot of information, but we're just consolidating sideways, very boring. But the good news is that we do have an opportunity to buy lower if it does go down to these levels, and if it doesn't, then we're just going to go up from here. I'm hoping that it goes up steadily, but I think it's going to pump like this. So, which is fine. But again, just be smart with when you guys want to take profits and all that stuff. You need to have a plan. It's very important. If you don't have a plan, or if you're somebody that's like, oh, I'll have a plan, and then you forget the next day, maybe you should write it down and actually stick with it. And then you have those people that write it down and they're like, ooh, like I'm gonna change it because of what's happening in the market. Okay, that's also bad. Don't do that. Have a plan, stick with it, be grateful, and you should be good. And again, my target for Dogelon Mars is going to be the 786, which I'll show you guys right here. So my targets are going to be these. So the 786, just in case it never breaks all-time high, be mindful of that. And previous all-time high, and then anywhere from previous all-time high to around 402. This is always going to be my target. I wonder why it's like it's here. Okay, hold on. There we go. In here. Yeah. So these are my targets for Dogelon Mars, and from today's level, that is around a 8x, good money back profit, solid. Another a 20x, even better. And then from there, it's what is it, like 160x. So 160x would put the market cap at around still under 10 billion. So it's around 8 billion, $9 billion. I think it's very possible. I think that with Rufus Chain, with the metaverse, NFTs, I think all of that is solid. Clearly, the developers are doing a good job building it out and letting us know. And I think it's pretty solid. That's what I'm aiming for, and that's where I think so. Like, again, that's why I'm taking profits on the way up, and it's important to sell whenever you guys want, because you know, what if, like, on that position that I'm holding to 4022, if that never hits, then I'm gonna have to wait another 4 years, and that position is gonna go down, 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 down. So that's something that I'm willing to accept. So again, I've told you guys stories about my Shiba Inu experience. I sold all of it and way too early, and I missed out on a lot more profit than I could have made. Same with XLM, got chopped up. So that's it. I don't want to keep telling the story, but I hope you guys know and understand where I'm coming from and what I'm saying. So anyway, that's all I got. I don't want to look at the Ether scan tonight because I don't want to make the video too long. I feel like I've already made it too long right now. So please like, subscribe, comment. None of this is financial advice. And please like, subscribe, comment. I'll catch you guys in the next video.